A lot of young people don't have any opportunities.
Youth unemployment is one of the highest in Northwest in comparison to a national average, and multiple barriers to employment for young people that are trying to enter into the market, and certainly having that exposure to experience is really crucial, and investing into programs like this one has been beneficial for young people to have that door open to create that opportunity.
How we discovered the talent that have the Northwest.
This program here kind of helped me be more confident.
And yeah, it could have not happened if it wasn't for all your help.
And this program is like the way to find your whatever you like, your job, your dream.
I reckon I wouldn't have put any effort into my future or like tried to actually push out my art.
And I did all those paintings actually last night.
They were looking for young people but couldn't find them. We've got a pool of young people who may not necessarily have found Citywide either, so this program's been a bridge.
I learned how to speak confidently, I learned how to make cover letter of resume. I feel that I'm the different person.
Helped me really see my strengths. As Lorena always says, I have leadership strength and I never saw myself in that position.
I think this program impacted my life by giving me tools to use when applying for a job, such as present yourself in the best way possible for a job. It also helped with my social skills.
You know, they don't believe the capacity or the potential that they have, and you just need that little nudge. And as a youth coach, I think we were able to do that, and the outcome has been amazing in terms of seeing where they started to where they are now.
And I would recommend this program for anyone who is ready to unleash their potential. I felt very supportive and very motivated by the people that worked here.